Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning a trip in 2025 and need to quickly find a specific Vrbo property, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through how to search Vrbo by property number. It's a simple hack that can save you time and frustration. Whether you're double-checking a booking or sharing a listing with friends, this method is super straightforward. First, fire up your device and head to the Vrbo website at vrbo.com or open the Vrbo app. Vrbo has made some updates for 2025, so the interface is even more user-friendly. Look for the search bar. It's usually right at the top of the homepage, prominently displayed. Step 1. Once you're on the main page, click on that search bar. Instead of typing in a city or destination, directly enter the property number. You can find this number in your booking confirmation email, on the property listing page, or in any Vrbo communications. It's often a combination of numbers and letters, like 123,456 or ABC 789. Step 2. After entering the property number, hit the search button or press enter. Vrbo's system will instantly direct you to that exact property's page. No more scrolling through endless listings. Step 3. Now that you're on the property page, take a moment to review the details. Check availability for your travel dates, read guest reviews, and even view photos or amenities. If you're ready to book, just follow the on-screen prompts. One quick tip. If the search doesn't work, double-check that you've entered the number correctly, including any hyphens or capitals. Also, make sure you're logged into your Vrbo account, as some properties might require that for direct access. And there you have it. That's how you search Vrbo by property number in 2025. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for busy travelers. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.